what if the house cleaner makes me uncomfortable? Am I stuck with that house cleaner, or can you send someone else? It's a great question. We're going to discuss it today. I say discuss because I'm going to share with you some information today. I hope you will leave your comments in the notes below because we read all of the comments and we respond. We can carry on a discussion this way. If you have a question, go over to askahousecleaner.com. In the corner, there's a blue button. You click on the blue button and a little microphone appears. You can ask your question to me right here at the show, and then I will help you find an answer. All right, so today's question is all about what happens if you go to a customer's house, you're bidding a job, and then they love you and they want to hire you, but they're afraid. What if you're not the person that comes back to clean their house? So they say, are you the one that's coming back, or are you going to send someone else? The answer is, I'm probably going to send someone else at some point. As my business grows, I will be expanding my business and there will be other people coming with me. So it is possible that I may come. If I call out sick, it is possible someone else will come in my place. And then they say, what happens if the other house cleaner makes me uncomfortable? Do you have another house cleaner you can send as a replacement, or am I stuck with that house cleaner? It's a fair question, and it's not always about discrimination. Now, I know in our Facebook groups, it's really easy for people to get all hot-headed and upset and angry and all these things because they think in the back of their mind that what this is all about is someone making a judgment that they don't want any men in their house or that they don't want any really tall people in their house. They make them uncomfortable for some reason. Well, it's possible that there is someone, and it could just be a particular person. It doesn't matter what the person is. It could remind them of their ex-spouse. And you send that person into their house. And the person that you sent to the house, although they're an excellent house cleaner, it might only have something to do with their mannerisms or their quirks or the way they respond that sets them off and reminds them of why they got a divorce, and they get angry and they don't like that person at all. I don't know why, but there are people we don't get along with for whatever reason, okay? I met one woman who came to me for a job interview, and when she came in, I instantly did not like her. And I did not trust her, and I don't know why. She gave me no reasons whatsoever not to like or trust her. It was something that was going on with me, but immediately I did not like her. And she sensed that. She said to me, you don't like me, do you? I said, I don't, and I don't trust you, and I don't know why. I'm so sorry. And I couldn't hire her. We were not a good fit. That is possible that you're going to run into that in house cleaning. And it's not necessarily about discrimination or about anything else. It could be something you don't understand. And so my suggestion would be you have to be very careful and you have to play this very, very, very cautiously, okay? So if you're bidding a job and the homeowner asks you this question, you have to say, hey, listen, we are a non-discrimination company and we are an equal opportunity employer. And so we hire all types of folks and they're all trained and they're all professionals and they all know how to clean your house. And so when we send people, we send our best people to you because there's no benefit to us to send not our best people to your house, right? We want you to become a lifetime customer with us. So I'm going to lean on you to help me understand if there's a particular glitch with one of the house cleaners we've sent you. I don't know what it is and I don't need to know what it is. But if that house cleaner does not gel with you for some reason, I need you to call me personally, okay? Don't take it up with the house cleaner. Don't bring it up to anyone else. Don't bring it up on social media. Call me personally and let me know that you have an issue and I will help you try to resolve that issue. We'll see if we can't talk it out. We'll see if we can't work it out. And if we can't work it out, I might have to hire someone else or we might have to part our ways and you got to go find a new house cleaning company, okay? So if that is the case, let's talk between us. It's a private conversation with respect and understanding. And the fact that we know that whoever we're sending to your house are our best people, they're perfectly qualified for the job, and they have families that they're trying to put food on the table for. And so if we can come to that agreement right now, I don't think we'll ever have a problem. And then the homeowner will usually say, okay, that's fair. Now, in all the years that I've been cleaning, there are a couple of scenarios where we've had to move a house cleaner off of a job and quietly move another one in. And the house cleaner that was removed from the job never knew the reasons why, and the person that was moved in never knew the reasons why. We kept it completely on a professional level. We just shuffled the schedules around a little bit, and they never needed to know that they made that homeowner uncomfortable for whatever reason. We don't need to know the reasons why. We just need to know if it's not working, we will jump through hoops if possible to make the homeowner comfortable with the house cleaner, okay? We want to do our best to provide the best customer service. That's what this is all about. That is all this is about. So there are lots of people that have things that have happened in their past, that there's something that triggers it. And if we send somebody to your house and they trigger some moment of sadness or a horrific moment of fear, we don't want that person in your house. We really don't. We want you to be comfortable with the person that you hired. And if you are going to be at home, or if you're watching this person on the home security camera, and this is causing you fear and angst and anxiety, it's not the right situation for you anyway. We want to send in a person that can bring you joy. And when they leave, your house feels exciting and you're happy that they came, and you will send us the referrals. So we will help you in every way we can, but it comes with ultimate discretion and the understanding that we are going to try to work it out to the best of our honest abilities, okay? So I want you to very, very, very carefully tread lightly with this one, because there are so many things that can malfunction, and I don't want it to malfunction for you, but we want to serve everybody, including the house cleaner. I don't want a house cleaner in a home where the homeowner feels uncomfortable and they are made to feel uncomfortable or disliked. I don't want them in that situation. So to protect your homeowners and your house cleaners, we have to be incredibly careful and cautious and kind. All right, I hope this helps you a little bit. If it does, please subscribe. Let us know how we're doing. Give us a thumbs up or leave us a comment in the notes below. And until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.